To hear more options, press 0. What are you talking about?
What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So today is a special day. I just received a package from Rynox gears. This is the package that I got. I'm so stoked to see what's inside it. So let's get on to the unboxing. Alright everybody, this is the package that I received. I'm not going to show the front, but I'm still showing it because I have my address in the front. I'm going to blur it out. Let's open it. This would work, I suppose. Let's see, I don't have anything else, right? No, I don't have anything else. Never mind. Oh shit. Get this thing out. Let's throw that away. You too, go. Alright, so this is what we received. These are, if I'm not wrong, the Tornado Pro. Okay, these are Urban X. Yeah, these are Urban X Motorsports gloves. Let's see if it even fits my hand. Perfect. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna wear both. Let's see how it looks. I've been genuinely liking Rynox products since the beginning of my riding career, which is 1 year. This looks excellent. I love these. The protection is next level, bro. What is this? Nothing's gonna happen to my, what is this area called as? I don't know. Knuckles? Knuckles are this area, right? I don't know. You have excellent protection over here, so you don't have to worry about anything. Anyways, just don't ride aggressive thinking that you have good gears. Always ride safe. All right, I'm gonna take this. Now what is this? Okay, let's see this later. Let's bring this out. Oh, this is a riding pant. Huh. Okay, this is the same set as mine. I have the Storm Evo 3 riding gear, right? I forgot the name. Rynox jackets. Which one is this? I forgot the name. Yeah, Storm Evo jacket. This pant is also the same category. What's the size? Does this even fit me? Okay, I don't know where to check the size. Never mind. But anyways, that is a nice pant. These protectors work really well. Alright, so what is this? This must be the rain pant. Yeah, this is the rain pant. Do we wear it upon this thing or below this thing? I'm pretty sure we have to wear this upon this thing. Yeah, I'm sure about that. I'm really thankful to Rynox for sending me all this stuff. They really helped me out in my riding gears. So it's been only 1 year since I started my riding career, and the first ever jacket that I bought in my life was Rynox. Rynox was the first riding gear that I bought. I don't know, I genuinely like their products. I saw the reviews and I went for them, and it works pretty well. I have my tank bar right over there. I'm using their bungee cords, and my jacket is inside that. You know what, let's take the jacket too. Yep, now that completes the setup, and there's absolutely no problems in this. I'm not supporting Rynox just because they sent me these stuffs. I've been genuinely suggesting everyone Rynox products. I've been using this jacket for 1 year. Can you find out any damage, any sorts of damage in this? No, I cannot. Apart from it being a bit dirty because I don't wash it. There's nothing else. There's no problem in this jacket, and I really like it. I mean, it was worth spending 10k on this jacket. I'll show you guys the tank bag too. To complete the setup, why not bring in the tank bag too? Now this tank bag has been very helpful for me, especially for motovloggers. This bag is really helpful. So I don't really like large bags to be right in front of me, so I went for the Navigator. The monopod is bigger. I mean, it's personal preference. If you like a big bag, then go for that. I like small bags because I'm not gonna carry anything much in this bag. Only camera gears, like gloves, you know. Look at this, I already have this. Camera gears, a spare phone, sunglasses, chain loop, and I carry my batteries and tripod, everything in this, and it works really well. And I've been using this for 1 year too. There's absolutely no damage in this bag. And these are the 3 magnets. So if you have a metal tank, this would work perfectly for you. So this is my setup. One last thing to wear, and voila, I'm done. So this is the complete riding gears. But do you guys know what I exactly feel like? I feel like an astronaut. That's right. The gloves feels like it was made for my size. It's just so perfect. You've got all these knee pads, which riders do need, because the first body part that's going to be impacted when you fall is your knee, right? Knee or your hand. So you need both protections for your hand and knee. So you guys should have proper riding gears while you ride, no? And I've got one more thing with this. This is the thermal liner for the pant. I've currently removed it because it is so damn hot right now. This is very useful for early morning rides or winter season. Rate me in the comments down below on a scale of 1 to 10. No? Yeah. The gloves are perfectly fine, bro. Yeah, I could kill someone with this. That's how strong that is. Again, I want to thank Rynox guys for sending me these stubs. Thank you for supporting me and helping me with the riding gears. Now I can ride completely safe. I'll be making a proper riding gear review soon with all the cinematic shots and all those fancy stuffs. Alright, so yeah, stay tuned for my whole riding gear review, and thank you for watching the video. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.